Hey everybody, this is Sarah Seymour. I have a Stitch Fix box that I'm going to unpack, and I am in a hurry. I've got people coming over for a party tonight. We're having game night, and my husband doesn't know I bought this. He doesn't know. So I'm trying to do this before people get here so I can unbox and see what I got. I kind of peeked a little because I wasn't sure if I was going to have time to do this video. So I'm going to bring it over here, and I'm in my LuLaRoe. I'm actually going out of business for LuLaRoe, so if you're interested, I'll leave my link below. So it's really cute, which I haven't opened this yet, but they tell me, it tells you, oh yeah, so it gives you like little ideas on how to wear the pieces that they sent you. There's like a return. Sorry, I dropped something. There's a return envelope. Okay, now to the good part. If I can show you what it is here. Okay, so it comes in this cute little package. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. So this silky shirt, which is so gorgeous. I have red hair, so like with green. Oh, I love it. And this green and pink is so pretty. I can't wait to try this on. It's silky. It's got these flutter sleeves, which I'm not so sure about, but I'll see what it looks like on. I'm so excited. And then these super soft jeans. They're actually they're capris, and they're ID 23, and they're very cute. I love this dress. So, okay, so this is the first top. And it is adorable. I absolutely love it. I was worried about these sleeves, but they're super cute. And it's silky and comfy. And here are the jeans. I love these jeans. They are like a perfect fit. And you can see that they are like cuffed here, about ankle length, cute with ballet flats or whatever. But this, I am probably keeping this shirt. It's so cute. This one, this is cute. Oh, this is really cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this has like this like see-through stitching here. It's really lightweight, beautiful floral. So this is a medium, and here is shirt number 2. It is so adorable. I'm definitely keeping this one. It's got that cute little see-through. They also sent me this bralette that I'm probably going to keep, but I am loving this shirt. It's super comfortable, nice and lightweight. And I love it. It's going to be gorgeous in the fall. So cute. And then it looks like I have another top. Oh, it's a cold shoulder tee. I love these. Little cold shoulder. It's super soft. I hope it fits. It's like longer in the back than in the front, and it's this gorgeous green. Here is shirt number 3. I love the cold shoulders. I love it's like a teardrop look here. And like the 3/4 sleeves. I don't know if I love it with the bralette on there, or showing there, but this is really super cute also. I'm loving these clothes. And then I don't wear jewelry very often, so they sent me a cute purse. Look at this. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh, and like you can put the strap down here. That's so cute if you want to carry it, you know, short. Very cute. And then so with Stitch Fix, you have these additional like add-ons that you can request, and I requested one of these. I don't know what's gonna fit, but we will see. So I will show you the clothes on soon. And here's that bag. Really cute. You can make the strap longer And do a crossbody look. And very adorable. I love green. So cute. Alright, so I decided to keep the entire contents of my Stitch Fix box. I loved it all so much. And by doing that, I will get 25% off of my entire purchase, which is awesome. To save me like $80, and I've got all these cute new clothes. So my link is in the comments. If you click on that link to sign up for your first box, you get $25 off of your first purchase. There's a $20 styling fee with Stitch Fix, but that is put towards your purchase. So I highly recommend it. Make sure you put all kinds of details in the comments to your stylist. Tell them what you like, what you don't like, what you'd like to try, your hair color, your eye color. I did all of that, and they like hooked me up awesome. So good luck. Let me know when you sign up, and let me know when you get your box, and if you love it. You know the drill. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my future unboxings. I've got 3 more boxes coming from different companies, so you don't want to miss.